Welcome to my channel where we'll explore the charm and elegance of Magnolia-style kitchens. Inspired by timeless design and modern practicality, a Magnolia kitchen brings warmth and functionality into your home. Let's dive into how you can create this inviting space in just a few simple steps. The Magnolia kitchen style, made popular by Joanna Gaines, is all about blending rustic charm with contemporary elegance. Think shiplap walls, farmhouse sinks, and neutral tones with pops of greenery. Start by choosing a neutral color palette as your foundation. Shades like white, beige, soft gray, or even muted greens provide the perfect backdrop for your Magnolia kitchen. Open shelving is a hallmark of Magnolia kitchens. It not only adds a farmhouse feel, but also allows you to display your favorite dishes and decor. No Magnolia kitchen is complete without a farmhouse sink. This functional yet stylish piece adds a touch of authenticity and charm to your space. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, or rattan to enhance the rustic vibe. Wooden countertops, wicker storage baskets, or even a butcher block island work perfectly. Lighting plays a key role in Magnolia kitchens. Go for pendant lights with a vintage or industrial look to complement the space. Greenery is essential in a Magnolia kitchen. Small potted plants, hanging herbs, or even a vase of fresh flowers bring life and color into the space. Maximize storage with stylish solutions like a sliding barn door pantry or woven baskets that double as decor. And there you have it, your guide to creating a beautiful Magnolia-style kitchen. It's all about blending comfort, charm, and functionality to make your kitchen the heart of your home. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching.